Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a story by looking at the pictures in the text, comprehend asked questions about the given pictures, read aloud the given text and the story, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the story, comprehend and respond to simple questions, pronounce long vowel sounds and pairs of words, for example, A as in bat. Pronounce long vowel sounds in pairs of words, for example, AI as in rain. Pronounce long vowel sounds in pairs of words, for example, EE as in feet. Recognize and identify the long vowel sounds in pairs of words, AI, and EE. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and respond to likes and dislikes. Create their own sentences of the given words. Spell some words studied in class, both orally and in writing. Creatively comprehend the text from the book and pen down it in their own words. Classify, pronounce, and practice short vowels. Pronounce and identify words that have short A, E, I, O, and U sound. Pronounce and identify words that have short U sound. Identify and recognize the long and short vowels. Enhance the vocabulary with the words with short vowel sounds from the text. Recognize alphabetical arrangement of words as a preparation for glossary or dictionary use. Create the short and long vowel words of each of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Identify and recognize the use of comparative adjectives. Use punctuation according to the rules learnt earlier. Use capitalization according to the rules learnt earlier. Recognize and apply capitalization to the initial letter of proper nouns, days of the week, and months of the year. Recognize and use apostrophe to show possessions and exclamation mark to express strong feelings. Recognize and apply spelling change in plural forms of nouns. Identify the short vowel sound words from the text and describe a picture in their own words.